Hello, this is Hollywood Rick Carter, and this is my part 3 about leatherface collection. I'm going to start off by showing these Neca figures. This is what took so long for me to get this third part out, because I was waiting for the second Neca figure I'm going to show in this video. But this is my first one I got, which is Leatherface the way he originally appears at the beginning of Texas Chainsaw Massacre. He's got a yellow chainsaw. Look at the chainsaw on his mask and his bloody apron. And here's the other Leatherface, the one I had waited so long for. This is Leatherface at the end of the movie. This Leatherface came with a green chainsaw. I don't know where that's a mistake or where he had two chainsaws in the movie or what. I remember he had a yellow one, but I don't know if he had both a yellow and a green one in the same movie. This is called a pretty lady Leatherface, the way he is at the dinner scene, and the outfit he's in when he does the dance at the end of the movie. Here's some of the accessories that the Leatherface figures came with. The pretty woman came with an armadillo, a sledgehammer, a plate of food, a mallet, meat chopper, cleaver. Yeah, two little knife things. And you got two meat mallets, a pair of extra hands, and you got this extra jacket thing for some reason. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Be very much appreciated. Have a nice day. Peace.